Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use line breaks right inside a cell in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to keep your data tidy, maybe to format addresses or add a second line to a note, but didn't know how to get that line break inside a single cell, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know the simple shortcut that makes your spreadsheet look the way you want, with clear, organized information in every cell. Alright, let's jump right in. So say you're working in Google Sheets and you've typed out a sentence, an address, or maybe even a little story, and you realize you want part of that text to start on a new line, but you want all of it to stay within one cell. This is really useful for things like making a neat address block, separating a first name and last name, or even just splitting up details so they're easier to read at a glance. Here's what you do. First, go into your Google Sheet and click into the cell that has the text you want to format. You can do this by simply double-clicking or press F2 to start editing that cell. Now look for the spot in your sentence where you want the line to break. This could be in between an address line or maybe after a comma if you want a natural pause in your text. Once your cursor is exactly where you want the break, don't just press enter. If you do that, Google Sheets will actually move you down to the next cell, and that's not what we want. Here, the magic move, you need to hold down the Control key. On Windows, hold Control, and if you're on a Mac, use Command. With that key held down, now press enter. You'll see that your text splits into two lines, all inside the same cell. It's a tiny little trick, but it's incredibly handy once you know it. This part might take a moment if you're trying it for the first time, but don't worry if you get moved out of the cell on accident or it doesn't work right away. Just double-click back in and try again. Sometimes your fingers have to get used to holding down the Control or Command key while you hit enter. Think of it like learning a new shortcut in your favorite video game. It quickly becomes muscle memory. Now, after adding your line break, press enter or click out of the cell to finish editing. You'll see the cell automatically gets taller to fit both lines of text, keeping everything within that single box. This keeps your spreadsheet organized and much easier to read, especially if you're sharing information with team members or clients. And that's really all there is to it. You can insert as many line breaks as you need this way, and you'll notice how much cleaner your data can look, especially for more complex information. If you're creating forms, collecting addresses, or just want your spreadsheet to look a bit more professional, this trick will definitely come in handy. Alright, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Sheets questions or if there are more tips and tricks you'd love to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.